beautiful morning. And today we're going Tatras in Slovakian side. Never been here. First time. Packed in a camper down there. Very excited about. I don't even know where I'm going. I'll try to get there. Maybe there or there. One of them peaks. Hopefully it will be nice, but we'll see how it goes. Where am I now? Huh. It's getting hot. It's time to take your jacket off. It's beautiful. Best view in town. Look at this. Look at it. So beautiful. 97 meters above sea level. That's all the way up there and all the way down. It's not easy, guys. It looks like I found a highway for hikers. But it looks nice. That's where I need to go to get then up. It's gonna be very nice. Some more people around. Met some Polish people as well. So it's quite nice. There's one thing what I don't like about this place, that there's tissues, just used tissues, thrown out in so many places on a. It's horrible. People are careless. Yeah. There, another one. There, another one. It's mad. It's freaking mad. I don't get it. Why can't they put it in a pocket? And that's it. Laziness. Laziness. Now it's gonna be fun. Fun, fun, fun. There's a cave or something. Nice. Nice. And it's freaking hot. I'm sweating my tits off. Woo! I think I found my breakfast spot. Do you want to see? It's just here. Yeah. We're gonna be sitting here and enjoying the view. beautiful. Now I'll be going down. Down it is. But it's still nice. I think I'm glad I'm going down. It's getting crowded. I literally just passed like, I don't know, 15 people. And there's still people coming up. So happy days. Happy days. Hot, but it's nice. Hot, but it's nice. Very, very nice. Look at this. And that's what I found on the way home. It looks abandoned, but it's probably because it's not season yet. But still, some wood on the floor. Trench, I don't know. It might be not working anymore. Home time. Nearly there. I'm nearly home. In a camper. Yeah, I live in a camper now for this year. And me and my family, me, my missus and 2 kids, we're traveling Europe. We're gonna be traveling for a year. At least that's what we're expecting. After that we have no idea what we're gonna do. But now, yeah, and there's gonna be more videos of me. Woohoo! Because I'm thinking about doing some hiking in every country where we're gonna be. And now it's Slovakia, and I'm in Slovakia now. So it's beautiful. Slovakia is very beautiful, and some weird stuff's happening now as well. The sheep is coming down. Can you see? It's crazy. Ha! Bells are bing, bling, 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 bling. Lots of them. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, that's gonna be maybe it for today's hike. And then I'm having some dinner. Yes, my family made some dinner for me. I have no idea what it is. Hopefully it's something good. So see you in a bit near my van. And I'm home. I'm home. That's home. Woo! Finished my trip today. It was good. I hope you're gonna see more of me. Subscribe, put some likes, comments, and see you soon.